Hello everybody, happy new year. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in forever. It's been like weeks. So if you're in the south, of course, south, southwest, southeast, we got a little snow. Everybody about to lose their mind. Where the bread, where the eggs, where the milk. My question is, if your power go out, like, how your eggs gonna stay cold and your milk? What about canned foods, candles, a lighter, something like that? I don't know. But anyway, so everybody all frantic about the snow. And I'm mad that it snowed on a Saturday or Friday night. I mean, can we get like a Thursday night or something like that? You know, we always trying to be off of work. You know how we do. But snowed on a Saturday. And this is all we got right here. This is it. This our backyard. This is it. Little bitty snow. Didn't even cover up the grass. Little bitty snow. That's it. Little bitty snow. Brody's enjoying it though, right, Brody? Act like he ain't never seen snow before. Stomping back and forth. Here come my other little snowman. Hey, Broccoli. You got all the footprints? Hey, handsome. Look at them legs. Brock, is that snow? Brock. Hey, Brody, do your breath like this. Look. You see your breath? Brody, you ready for the game? What are you supposed to say for Alabama? Say roll tide. Roll tide. There you go.
Digging snow.
Hey, what you do is you grab it. We ain't got enough snow. That little bit of snow we got. Okay, look. It don't even feel real. Okay. There you go. Now throw it at Daddy. Get him, hurry up. Good job. Now run. Go. You ready? Get him. Oh, good job, Brody. Good job. Make some more. We're gonna get Brock? Okay, hurry up. Hurry up. We gotta, oh, you left your partner. Wait for me so I can get my stack. Hold on. Ow. I'm out of breath. Don't hit mommy. No. You dropped it. Don't hit mommy. Don't hit mommy. No. Ah!
I got it.
You got him? High five. Good job.
Oh,
you hit me, I can't hit you.
What are you doing? Eating snow? You so nasty. We gotta make snow ice cream one day. Daddy's so crazy. you so stupid. Get him, Brody. Brock said no? Brock ain't fooling with you.
Here, Brody. Taste
the snow, Brody.
Stop.
You gonna be on World Star. You gonna be on World Star, boy. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm telling you, don't do it, bro. You gonna be on World Star, boo.
Jump.
Don't listen to your daddy. That's straight ice, boo. Don't do it. Hurt that booty. Brody hit you?
You quit.
You quit? You done? Oh. You don't like snow?
I got you.
Okay.
Right quick.
Yeah, he said he done.
No, what you making?
What you making?
Cereal.
Cereal? You're not making cereal.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
I ain't happy. Hockey.
Daddy's cooking. What you cooking, Daddy? Eggs and bacon. What is Mommy making, Brody?
Waffle.
A waffle. Fat girl and fat boy waffles. Yummy. What, Rob?
Look here.
What you making?
Goodbye.
French fries. Lies. You eating strawberries, bananas, all your hot dogs
I eat
gone,
strawberry
and cinnamon toast. Right?
Cold. It's cold.
Close your mouth.
It's cold.
Well, it's supposed to be cold. It's a strawberry. All right, let's get this fat girl action going.
Hey,
Turn the Batman.
I got you, baby. I got you, baby.
Turn the Batman.
For you learn how money long.
Can I turn? I'm over there. Hey, Daddy, Mommy, he's the mommy butt.